As you all know, the salons are reopening again, but with very limited service. Here are some tips on how to style your hair at home. So to have a perfect style, you need to start by having a good base, a good foundation. So I usually suggest by starting by using the adequate shampoo, conditioner and mask according to your hair type. If your hair is lacking moisture, choose a good moisturizing shampoo. If your hair is lacking protein, we can choose the revitalizing shampoo. If your hair needs volume, it's flat, you need a good volume shampoo. Then start by choosing the conditioner. If your hair is lacking both protein and hydration, you can choose revitalizing conditioner. If your hair is lacking more moisture, you can start by choosing the moisturizing conditioner. Using a mask means that you are doing something more intense than just a conditioner. The conditioner works on the outside of the hair, while the mask penetrates the hair shaft and works inside the hair shaft. Using a BALMAIN Hair Couture mask, you need to make sure that you apply it after a shampoo and then you follow by a conditioner. Reason behind that is that when you're applying a mask, it is a penetrating mask, it works into the hair shaft, and then you need to rinse and seal it off with a conditioner. Our next step would be using a nice leave-in conditioner. By using a leave-in conditioner, you are balancing more the pH of the hair after the use of water, because our water it has high pH, and by using a leave-in conditioner, it balances out the pH of the hair, it leaves the hair very shiny, very soft, and in hand with the leave-in conditioner we have the Argan Moisturizing Elixir. The Argan Moisturizing Elixir is a water-based product, basically is mainly made of water, so it gives that extra hydration. Together, these are called the Signature Foundation. The Signature Foundation is a perfect base to prepare that particular desired style. The next step would be choosing the particular style that we want. If we want to have wavy hair, that beach wavy hair, you can start by applying the sea salt spray, texturizing sea salt spray, which is amazing. One of the few sea salt sprays that I have ever used that does not tangle the hair, and it is also applied on the Signature Foundation, therefore the product is received evenly throughout the hair. If you want a longer lasting look, usually I use the volume mousse from BALMAIN Hair Couture as the last product before starting styling. I brush the hair, then I dry 100% before using my wand. Very good tip regarding styling your hair is that you use the boar brush. The boar brush can be used to flatten the top area and to prepare your style before using any hot tool to prepare a good base for your style. We style our hair with the wand or with the straightener or using the hairdryer. We need to use a good finishing product. Depending what type of hair you have, obviously you choose the product accordingly. One of my favorite finishers from BALMAIN Hair Couture is the silk perfume. The silk perfume is in my opinion, is a good combination of a serum and a shine spray, 1 or 2 pumps depending on your hair density. This product has an amazing smell, has an amazing effect on the hair, gives you shine without weighing out your hair, and also you can finish with a medium session spray from BALMAIN Hair Couture. So basically that was one of my favorite hair routines before styling and after styling. Obviously I mentioned quite a few products. I mentioned a shampoo, a conditioner, a mask, leave-in, Argan Elixir, texturizing salt spray, the volume mousse. Then I mentioned the finishing products, the silk perfume and the medium hairspray. Shows that BALMAIN Hair Couture have lightweight products which can be easily intermixable. As a hairdresser, I believe that to create a perfect style, you need to have a perfect base. It's like you're building a house. If you don't have the perfect base, the house won't last long. Using an amazing products such as BALMAIN Hair Couture shampoo and conditioner, For example, you can notice immediately that by a simple shampoo, your hair feels much softer than any other shampoo that you have used till then. That means that you are using less shampoo with more effect, with more results. Also, the products are very lightweight, they are easily intermixable, and therefore your style will last longer without greasing up your hair, and you don't have worry about having product buildup, product residue, hair, product flakes over to your hair. Thank you for watching. Hope that my small tips helped. Remember that I'm here. If you want to ask any questions about Balmain Hair Couture, kindly message me, kindly leave a comment. I will be happy to reply all of you. Thank you very much.